going to see today, slime is all the rage on the internet, but do doggies like it? I bought some called Unicorn Magical Glitter Poo and Mermaid Magical Glitter Poo and some Gack. And I know that kids love slime. So let's see if dogs love slime. Do you like slime? What is that? Oh, come here. Do you like slime? What is that? It's goopy, look. Oh, look at that. Not to eat it, though. Do you like slime? What do you think, Felix? What is that? No, not for Felix. He's gone. Do you like slime? No. Beau, don't eat it. Beau. Do you think it's edible? It's not to eat. It's slime. Look, Bella. Slime. Ooh. And let's have a look at this one. What's that one? That's more slime. What do you think? I think Beau thinks it's food. Do you think it's food? Yeah? Look, he's going to eat it. It's not food, Beau. It's slime. All the rage. But do dogs like it? Bella isn't impressed. Felix is gone. And Beau thinks it's food. Do you think it's food? You think it's food too, Bella? Look at it all there. All slimed. We'll see what Beau thinks of this one again. Just for a minute. Oh, okay. Hey, Beau, what's that? Is that slime? Is that to get eat? Don't eat it. Oh, don't eat slime. Beau, don't eat it. Yuck. Good boy, don't eat it. It's not food. It's not food. Okay. I don't think Felix likes it at all. Don't eat it, Bella. Well, officially, Beau thinks it's food. Bella is not impressed with slime. What about Felix? Hey, Felix. You don't think it's impressive? Hey, Felix, what's that? What is that? That's slime. Okay, we're...